Our top story tonight, an investigation into how your tax dollars are spent. Your tax dollars help fund county fairs across the state, including the Kern County Fair. But a state audit says officials in charge of one unnamed county fair misused and mismanaged hundreds of thousands of your tax dollars. Tonight, sources confirm with 17 News the unnamed county fair mentioned in the audit is in fact the Kern County Fair. 17's Eytan Wallace read the audit and joins us with the allegations. Eytan.
Well, Amber, the audit says officials in charge of this unnamed fair spent thousands of your tax dollars on lavish dinners, alcohol, and illegal out-of-state trips. And that's not all. But tonight, sources tell me they are 100% certain this audit is in fact about the Kern County Fair. And when we reached out to officials with the fair, they had no comment. The Kern County Fair is a staple of Kern. Funded significantly with your tax dollars, it's a place where families and people of all ages can enjoy all that the Golden Empire has to offer. But now, a report compiled by the state auditor says officials with one of the 54 fairs across the state has misused your tax dollars. And sources tell 17 News that unnamed fair mentioned in the report is in fact the Kern County Fair. The audit says, quote, the chief executive officer and the maintenance supervisor of one district agricultural association in charge of a fair allowed and often participated in the gross mismanagement of state resources. A mismanagement of state resources that includes the following: $132,584 of credit card purchases for which the association had no supporting receipts. $130,396 of individual credit card purchases exceeding $100 for which the CEO did not sign pre-approved purchase orders. More than $30,000 for excessive and illegal out-of-state travel expenses. $14,170 of credit card purchases for which the association did not have itemized receipts to verify they were for legitimate business-related expenses. More than $5,800 for airline tickets that employees purchased on their Cal cards, even though state policy prohibits the use of Cal cards for travel-related purchases. $5,188 for late fees and interest because the association did not pay its credit card bills on time. More than $1,900 of wasteful tips that far exceeded the maximum allowable reimbursement rate, and $1,259 for inappropriate purchases of alcohol. The audit goes on to say, quote, not only did the employees use their association credit cards to make illegal travel purchases, but when traveling, they also often used their association credit cards to pay for lavish meals that included alcohol and also included a $125 lobster meal, even though the maximum allowable travel reimbursement for dinner is $23. The audit also says, quote, overall, each of the entities or people who were responsible for overseeing the operation and management of the association failed in those duties, which allowed the association's gross mismanagement to continue unchecked for years. We reached out to the CEO and the chair of the board for the Kern County Fair. Both directed us to the California Department of Food and Agriculture, but the CDFA would not comment further on the audit. In studio, Eytan Wallace, 17 News.